Hey, welcome to the Tutoring Hut, a community geared toward teaching, learning, and connecting. This site provides a variety of opportunities for tutors, teachers, and students by incorporating easy-to-use features into a social networking platform.
You can see the icon under Role, which indicates a moderator role, and I'm also the current presenter. You can see it under Status. Now, Dennis has just joined, but he's joined neither as the moderator or as the current presenter. He's actually just a viewer. Now, the other video, the student video, shows you how to join the voice conference bridge, share webcam, and chat, but I'm just going to chat briefly with Dennis here. To upload a presentation, you click the Upload Presentation button. The blue button asks you to choose a presentation on your computer. Here I'm choosing a PDF file. You can choose any Microsoft Office compatible document. Clicking Upload will upload the presentation to the server, which converts it into a format that everybody can see. They can see it in the presentation window. Now, as presenter, you have control over this window. First, there's a red dot underneath the cursor. This enables all the viewers to see exactly what you're pointing at. You can click the right arrow to go next slide, next slide. Again, I can point here and all the students can see. Clicking the left arrow goes back. If you click on the current slide number, a film strip appears where you can then click an icon of a slide and it will take you directly to that slide. Now you can zoom in with the thumb wheel or with the slider, and again you can point out or highlight things. You can zoom out with the thumb wheel or just click the Reset Zoom button. Now as moderator, you can make other people presenters. So here I'm going to click on Dennis, click the Make Presenter icon, and you can see his status is now presenter, and the red dot is moving around. So I can follow what Dennis is pointing at, and I can see him changing the slides. To make myself presenter, I'm just going to click my name and click the Make Presenter icon again. As a moderator, you have control over the voice conference. So I'm going to join the voice conference bridge, and in a moment, Dennis will join as well there. Now there's a speaker icon to the left of Dennis's name. As a moderator, I can use that speaker icon to mute or unmute a particular listener. Just by clicking on it, Dennis is now muted, and I can click again to unmute. Now, you'll notice there's a lock icon as well. If there are lots of listeners, it's tedious to mute and unmute everybody, but if I lock myself as unmuted, I can now use the global mute all and unmute all to mute and unmute everybody else. So I'll leave everybody else as muted, which means that new users are also joining as muted. I can eject a viewer or listener by just clicking on their name and clicking the eject listeners icon.